So a couple days ago, we loaded up the General's pen and Little Man's pen and gave them a couple of girlfriends. They're on Liberty call.
Yeah.
So, ooh, hey there, Little Man. We got Little Man and Little Bit. I didn't know. You called, that's right. That's Little Man and that's Little Bit.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, they've been cozy for the last couple of days. We need to go ahead. We need to go ahead and get Little Bit away from Little Man.
Right.
Tammy needs to go open. I got to handle the rabbit, so she needs to go open the cage.
Open the cage. Yeah.
Open her cage or open her pen.
Yeah, and we'll go ahead and
She's
get her
not-
some water and feed too.
You know, one thing you got to know about rabbits, you just never know. I mean, they sit outside a lot and they're all on their own, and you don't know what they're thinking about. So whenever you go to pick up a rabbit, unless you handle it every single day, you know, and you know, Tammy was over there in Kellyanne's pen, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I mean, we pet her and hold her and move her all the time. And then one day, she decided she was going to try to bite Tammy.
She's gonna bite me.
She was going to bite her.
I've had her for 3 years.
3 years. Anyway, so I'm gonna handle the rabbit. That way, if anything happens, Tammy don't have to deal with it. Okay, so Little Man, look at him. He's sticking his head out here. He wants to be petted. And there's Little Bit. All right, come here, girl. All right, now she's been in there with Little Man, and she's getting a little. She's getting a little frisky. So when you grab the rabbit, this is what I do right here. Grab the neck and grab the tail, all right, and then I hold her. See, that's what you have to do when you don't know what to expect. She's been in there with Little Man. She's had some company. She might be getting a little ticked. So we're gonna go through her in her cage. Didn't have enough time for Tammy to get over here and set up the camera so I could show you how I got her in the cage. I was just happy to get her out of my hands. All right, so we ain't even got a name for that other little girl.
No, I hadn't.
What are we
named
gonna
her.
name her?
I don't know. We'll have to think on it.
Huh?
We'll have to think on it.
Yeah. Man, what are we gonna call her, Tammy? Yeah, okay. I don't know. I can't even come up with a name. I gotta look at her maybe, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay. What are we calling her, Tammy? Gotta give her a name.
Creole.
Creole.
She's black.
Why don't we call her Dewey? Rabbit Stew. Black rabbit. Rabbit.
Pepper.
Pepper. Okay. Now we got Pepper in with General. We call her Pepper. Maybe we should call General Salt. And we have Salt and Pepper. But anyway, so I've got to get her, and I'm probably going to have a rough time with her too. So I'm going to let Tammy, I got to get her. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to this. I don't want to get stung. What's up, General? How you doing, buddy? How you doing? Come to get your girlfriend. Yep. They've been in there with them boys for a little while. They know what it's like, and they don't want to leave. So, come on. Uh-oh, looks like that rooster's gonna
fertilize some eggs.
Yep, go for it. All right, now, yeah, let me get her in here. Anyway, I'm glad I finally got them girls in their cages. That's a little stressful on the hands, especially with arthritis. Okay, but we got a rabbit out here and Roscoe wants to catch it and he can't because he's 11 years old and he can't run. Watch this. That's yeah. And Roscoe gets so upset with himself that he starts whining because he sees his target and he can't chase it. So anyway, yeah, I'm really gonna make sure when you handle these rabbits after they've been in and they've been mating, you grab that neck, and then if you can, reach in and grab them by the rear end at the same time. Because when they come out, after being in there, you saw what that was like. Having the rabbits is a major part of our plan, you know, to be able to take care of ourselves.
Absolutely.
And like I said just a little bit ago, you know, right now our plan is get as many rabbits and as many chickens as we possibly can flowing, because we're going to be selling whatever we can with the rabbits and whatever we can with the chickens, and then that's going to provide for the feed.
Hopefully that provide all the feed.
Yeah.
And food for us.
And food,
you know.
for us. I am going to be using rabbit to make a stew. I make a killer venison stew. And I'm going to use rabbit meat.
Let's do rabbit meat instead, because we didn't get a deer this year at all.
Well, no, I didn't actually go hunting this year, for whatever reason. I guess I got tired of going dog hunting.
Yeah.
That's all we did was
Chase
dogs. So, but I've, you know, on the property over here, I want to go over this way. And, you know, my plan this last year and every year thereafter, you know, was to set up a small food plot over there, away from Roscoe. So,
Good luck.
there's that that little black rabbit. I wonder if I could snatch him. Where's that net? Tammy, I need to be able to catch that rabbit one day.
I need you to go ahead and move her over there with the other little rabbit.
Okay. No, you don't want to put them together.
Well, I need her
She's
out.
gonna be a mama. She don't need.
Okay,
another.
well, I need her out
Why
of
can't
there.
she stay there? Oh, you want to clean that?
I need to
Cage.
clean that cage.
Okay. Yeah, I got a cage to clean out. Go ahead and open that up, and I'll grab her for you.
Okay.
So, you know, there's one thing. Whoop! I hit the other little rabbit hiding under the cage in the head. Yeah, there's one thing about having animals and taking care of them is, you know, keep your mind off a lot of other things. So when you get, come on there, fella, or little girl. Why you been? Oh, you know what happened to the other one. Tammy, you want to throw her in there with
No.
little man? Or, I mean, the general? She don't want to come. She's going to be a fighter.
Yeah.
She's going to be a fighter.
Yeah.
So,
Hopefully.
this is how you do it. I know it. It seems mean, but that's how you got to do it, guys.
If not, they'll tear your arms
They'll
up.
tear you up. These aren't pets. These guys are food. And you know, when you're taking care of a lot of different animals, you know, you don't have time to pay attention, you know, to any particular one. So maybe he'll go in there. Come on, get up in there. I'll get you. Got one little fella right here. Go on. Get in there.
Caught him! Finally!
Little wascally wabbit. He's been running around here for like 3 months.
Yeah,
And I tried to
since
get
he's
in that and I'd get him. I knew, and that's why I left that door open, because I knew that if he smelled food, knew there was food in there, he'd climb in the cage. Now I was going to try to shoo him up in there, but he just went
on in by himself. He's hungry.
Yeah, he's hungry.
I mean, I feed him, don't get us wrong. I leave food out for him. But he jumped out
He's
and
not.
I couldn't catch him, so he just hangs out. He doesn't go anywhere.
I mean, it's pretty big, and we don't even know if that one is a male or a female yet.
I really over-treat my ladies, but I give them whole oats, like real whole oats, and I give them 2 of these. That's probably maybe a pound, not even a pound a day. And I just free feed that. I just chunk it on the ground. I keep their layer pellets in off the ground, and I keep that full, so they free feed all the time. But they will eat all of this and the scratch before they eat their food. So. I need the scratch. Here, no, it's got one in it. And here comes little Miss Escape Artist.
Yeah.
Oh, now he's spreading it, see? Okay, now he's gonna spread it so that all the ladies
so
get a little
get
bit.
in there. The ladies are taking up all the space.
Hey, right, she's out.
Get,
She's out.
get. What are you doing? Get back in there. All right, there's some more out there.
Oops.
All right.
Oh, yeah. All right, now.
So they got 2 scoops of that, 2 half scoops, 2 little
Yeah.
scoops.
Hey, Missy, get back in here.
Why does she have to insist on coming out?
She does it every day. Every day.
She's the only one?
Yep. Now sometimes the other ones will follow her if they think she got away with it, but
Okay.
here, honey,
Well.
take these eggs.
Wow. Boy, that's a big egg. Where'd that one come? Is that the Brahma?
Yeah.
I told you that Brahma's gonna lay some big eggs. I didn't even see it. That's a nice sized egg. And it's probably fertile because I know he's hitting up them Brahma girls. So we got the little cochin. You can tell which one.
Yeah, you can tell he likes
'cause
that
they're
coaching.
so tiny. There's like 2. Yeah, that little black one that keeps trying to escape artist. Looks like we got 2 her babies over there.
Yeah.
But those are probably going to be, as soon as we can get us an oven, those are probably going to be baked hens.
Yeah.
Wouldn't you think so?
Ah.
Coachins?
Uh-huh.
Or are they going to be?
They gonna lay eggs. They make pretty little eggs.
Well, yeah, but they're
The
little.
hens. Yeah, but
But they're real little. Oh, you can see the roosters are starting to show out.
yeah, they're starting to fight.
Yeah, no, they're the crowns and yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah,
The
they're
cocky
starting.
heads. No, that white one over there looks to be a rooster.
Yeah, that is a rooster.
That white one?
Yeah.
And then that looks like it's an Orpington offspring. That's definitely a rooster. You can tell. Look at the long legs and the narrow. Yeah, you can definitely tell who the roosters are. So what do we got left for hens here? We got 2 Cochin hens and then 1 Americana hen. Oh, 2 Americana hens. So we actually got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 hens, Tammy.
Yeah, I think so.
I think so too,
Unless that one's a male, but he's got it, because his tail is coming out. I think that might be a male, but I don't know.
Yeah, we don't know quite yet. Starting to get it kind of crown.
Till they get spurs, I really can't tell you.
Yeah. But you can tell. I mean, the roosters, their heads are a little, their heads bounce a little bit more. They hold it up and they look around and kind of do the, chicken neck thing. The hens are just they're a little bit more relaxed and they don't walk around going like this and, gonna go fight something. But you can usually tell which ones are the roosters because they end up having a little rooster fight. But yeah, I figured we'd probably give this another week, Tammy, and then we'll No,
If they don't sell, I actually have some people on Marketplace wanting them, but if they don't come get them, we just bought our first killing cone,
yeah.
and they will be groceries.
Yep. Yeah, we definitely need to go ahead and take care of the roosters. But those, Tammy, those little coaching chickens, they're too little. They're too little. They really are. I mean, they're not eating chickens.
Yeah, so you just let them lay eggs.
Yeah, but if they lay eggs, they're gonna be little chickens. You know what I mean?
Well, we don't have to incubate their eggs.
Well, oh, you just eat
them.
Oh, say eat their eggs and then incubate and sell the rest of them.
Yeah.
Oh, well, yeah, we do that. Well, we got some eggers. What are the brown eggs? Those are
Orpingtons.
Americana eggs.
No,
right?
these are the the green
The
eggs.
Orpingtons are the brown eggs.
The Orpingtons are brown, and that's
the
a Brahma.
Brahma's almost white. I told you
Well,
they
it's
were
kind
going
of
to
a
lay
milky.
almost white eggs. Anyway, guys, that's about it. Wire on around the chicken coop is keeping these guys safe.
Yep, they're safe.
Yep. If you hadn't seen it, go watch the chicken tractor protection plan. Because this sucker's working. And I'm going to be building another, I've been thinking about this here lately, building another chicken tractor.
Yeah.
You know, it ain't going to be as heavy.
Yeah, that
This
one
thing
is
right here.
way too heavy.
This was donated to us, and we gladly accepted
We
it.
accepted it.
It's holding the chickens, and it's working.
I mean, it's an old trampoline.
But you
It is
almost
heavy.
need a 4-wheel drive to pull it.
Yeah.